Now students, let us begin for the filling the blanks of the second lesson. So as you all understood with the lessons, so let us go for the filling the blanks. I have given the options in our blanks. So brackets, you can see the options with the red color. So let us begin. Software is of two types, dash and dash. So how many softwares do we have? Yes students. Yes, we have two different softwares, that is system and application. Next one. Students, you should write the notes in your notebooks. It is compulsory. So as I am dictating the answers, those the students who are having textbooks, they can note down the answers in their textbooks, and those who don't have, give a pause to a video, and then you can continue with the writing along with the video. Okay. Now second one, dash controls the overall activity of a computer. Now who controls the overall activity of a computer? Come on, think student. Yes, operating system. Now next is third one. An operating system manages all dash and dash devices. So what the operating system manages? Which devices? Yes, it's correct. Input and output devices. Next one, fourth one. Dash program performs specific tasks and usually related to managing a computer, its devices, or its programs. I'll repeat the fourth question again. Dash program performs specific tasks usually related to managing a computer, its devices, or its program. So which program does this? It's correct, utility. So utility program performs specific tasks usually related to managing a computer, its devices, or its programs. Fifth one. The presentation software is used to present an dash or dash. So the last answer is idea or concept. The presentation software is used to present an idea or a concept. Now here is your slide for the answers. Students, note down the answers along with the full sentence answer. You have to write it down. Don't forget students, you have to complete your notes and you have to get ready for your exams, as we'll be conducting your exams soon. So go through your lesson again and again along with the exercise questions. Students, I just want you to pause the video and continue with the writing of the filling the blanks in your notebook. Then too, I am giving a minute for a completion of your notes. After that, you can pause it and you can continue the same. Now let us move for the next question, that is state true or false. Word processing software helps us in maintaining a document in a presentable manner. I'll repeat the question again. Word processing software helps us in maintaining a document in a presentable manner. So is it a true or false? Now students, here is your test now. You have to write it is true or false on the paper. Now second one, backup is a process of shrinking files in a disk. Backup is a process of shrinking files on a disk. Third one, DTP software helps to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized way. I'll repeat the third one. DTP software helps to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized way. Fourth one, a spreadsheet software helps us to perform calculations and analyze data in an effective manner. A spreadsheet software helps us to perform calculations and analyze data in an effective manner. And the last one is multimedia software helps in storing a large amount of information. Multimedia software helps in storing a large amount of information. I hope students you have completed your answers. Then too I'll give you a minute for solving it. Let us go for the answers now. See here. Word processing software helps us in maintaining a document in a presentable manner. So it is a true. Backup is a process of shrinking files on a disk. So it is a false. DTP software helps to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized way. False. A spreadsheet software helps to perform calculations and analyze data in an effective manner. True. Multimedia software helps in storing a large amount of information. False. So these are the true or false. Now let us move for the next question. Multiple choice questions. Now here I am not going to give you a minute. As I am going to read you, you have to write the answers on your paper. A dash helps us to create document such as letter and reports. DBMS, word processor or spreadsheet program. Yes students, write the answers. This is a quick question round. A dash helps us to create document such as letters and reports. DBMS, word processor, spreadsheet program. Now second one. A dash software helps us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized way. Dash software helps us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized way. Word processor, spreadsheet, database. Third one, a dash program helps us to perform calculations and analyze data in a better way. A dash program helps us to perform calculations and analyze data in a better way. Spreadsheet, word processor, DTP. Fourth one, a dash software helps us to create, display slides on a computer for business and educational purpose. I'll repeat the fourth question. Dash software helps us to create and display slides on a computer for business and educational purposes. Spreadsheet, graphics, presentation. Students, I am just giving you 10 more seconds for completion of your answers. Now let us discuss the answers. So the first answer is word processor. A word processor helps us to create documents such as letters and reports. Now database software helps us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized way. A spreadsheet software, or we can say a spreadsheet program, helps you to perform calculations and analyze data in a better way. Presentation software helps us to create and display slides on a computer for business and educational purposes. Now these are the multiple choice questions. Now let us go for the next is match the following. Match the following. Match the following by coloring the correct pair with the same color. So instead of going for the coloring, we are just going to match the following by drawing lines. Spreadsheet. Where do you think so the spreadsheet we are using? What is a spreadsheet? Yes, it is MS Excel. Next, word processor. So word processor is a MS Word. Graphics software. Which graphics software we are using? MS Paint. Presentation software. Which way we are going to present ourselves? What is a presentation software? Which software we are using for presentation? MS PowerPoint. Compression. Yes, compression is nothing but WinZip. Desktop publishing. It is a Corel Draw. So these are the answers, students. Spreadsheet is an MS Excel. Word processor is MS Word. Graphics software is a MS Paint. Presentation software is a MS PowerPoint. Compression is a WinZip. And desktop is a Corel Draw. I hope students you have gone through the lesson properly, and I just want you to go through the YouTube links properly and thoroughly with the same way as you are going daily. Study hard as we are going to conduct very soon your first unit test exam. And that's it for the day. Have a good day ahead.